Hello and welcome to the spoken tutorial on block elements and layouts in HTML. In this tutorial, we will learn about block level elements like div and span and HTML5 layouts. To practice this tutorial, you should have basic knowledge of HTML. If not, then go through the corresponding tutorials on this website. To record this tutorial, I am using Ubuntu Linux 16.04 operating system, HTML5, gedit text editor, and Firefox web browser. However, you may use any other editor or browser of your choice. The files used in this tutorial are available in the code files link on this tutorial page. Please download and extract them. Elements in HTML are classified into two types: block level elements, inline elements. Block level elements are used to create individual blocks in the HTML document. Each block level element starts on a new line. It also creates a line break at the start and end on its own. We can create a block element inside another block element, whereas inline elements can be added anywhere in the line. It won't create any line break. They are individual tags. These are some of the block level elements. These are some of the inline elements. In this tutorial, we will learn about div and span tags. Division or div tag is a block level tag. With the help of div tag and CSS, we can create groups for a set of data presentation and web layouts. Let us see an example for this. For this demonstration, I have written some code and saved it as layout.html. I have already opened this file in a text editor. I have created a section for news and added some content in it using the div tag. Next, I have created a section for an article about spoken tutorials on web technology. I have written both these div blocks in an outer div block. Open this file in a web browser to see the output. Observe the output. It is just a simple text without any styles or formatting. Switch back to the text editor. Inside the second div tag, let us add some styles. Update the code as shown here. Inside the style attribute, I have set the float property value as left. This will align the elements to the left of the container. I have set some more attributes like width, height, and background color. Likewise, let me add the styles for the third div tag as shown here. In the second div tag, I have set the width as 20%. In the third div tag, I have set the width as 80%. So, this setting will split the display area as 20% for the first section and 80% for the second section. Save the file. Switch to the browser and refresh the page. Observe the change. Our simple text page has now changed into a 2-column layout. Likewise, you can create many other layouts on your own using the div tags and styles. We can create the same look using table tag also. But that is not a good practice for creating blocks or layouts. Creating a block or layout using div tag is more easy and flexible. But it requires lot of practice to become an expert in div tag for creating good layouts. Now let us learn about the span tag. Span tag can be used to group the inline elements, used to set different styles for a particular section, inserted anywhere inside any tag. Switch to the text editor. Here, let me set different colors for each list item using the span tag. Update the code as shown here. For each list item, I have set a different background color using the span tag. Save the file. Switch to the browser and refresh the page. Observe the output. Each line item appears in a different background color. Come back to the text editor. Let us change the color of the text as well. Update the code as shown here. Save the file. Switch back to the browser and refresh the page. Observe the change. Each list item appears in a different text color and background color. In HTML5, we can also create layouts without the div tag. For each part of the web page, we have the layout elements. Header for page headers, nav for navigations or links, section for document sections, article for articles, A-side, sidebar contents, footer for page footer. These tags have a start and an end. With the help of layout elements and CSS, we can create attractive web layouts. We will discuss this in detail in a later tutorial. With this, we come to the end of this tutorial. Let us summarize. In this tutorial, we have learned about block level elements, inline elements, div tag, span tag, and HTML5 layouts. As an assignment, create a file named myweblayout.html. Create a 3-column layout using div tag. The video at the following link summarizes the spoken tutorial project. Please download and watch it. The Spoken Tutorial project team conducts workshops and gives certificates. For more details, please write to us. Please post your timed queries in this forum. Spoken Tutorial project is funded by MHRD, Government of India. This is Praveen from IIT Bombay signing off. Thank you for joining.